Okay, your job was to do 3, 5, and 6. So I started 3. 3 is a surface area of this rectangle. So you're going to have 2 spaces like this where it's 18 by 18 and 4 where it's 25 by 18. So the first thing we need to do is to figure out what 18 squared is, or 18 times itself. I find it easier just to use what I can as far as my calculator goes and do 18 squared. But you can do whatever you feel comfortable with. So I'm going to go here and say 8, oops, that's not 18, 18 squared, which is 324. So 2 of these at 324 plus 4 at 18 times 25, which is 450. So our surface area is going to equal 2 times 324, which is 648, plus 4 times 450, which is 1,800. So we're going to add that all together. And we get 2,448. And that's going to be square yards. Okay? All right. So let's take a look at number 3. We're looking at the surface area of a cube. So this one's an easy. We've got 6 sides to a cube. So we're going to do 8.2 squared times itself equals, and then we're going to multiply that times 6. So 67 and 24 hundredths. And we get 403 and 44 hundredths square centimeters. And the last one is a triangle. So we have it is a triangular pyramid. So we have the base here, which is a triangle, and then we have 3 triangular sides. So we have one at 22 by 20, so half of 22 times 20. So we're going to end up with 11 times 20, because that's half of 22, plus 3 at half of 24, which is 12 times 30. Okay, so 11 times 20, we'll do that first, which is 220, plus 12 times 30, which is 360, times 3, which is 1,080. So we'll add that together, and we get 1,300. Square centimeters. Okay, and that's how that one should have gone. So got that going for us. All right. So let's take a look at this then really quickly here. So here we have, take a look at the surface area. We want to know what they did wrong. So we have 2 of these here, which are triangles, and then we have 3 squares. So we should have 2 at 1/2 of 9 by 12, and that's right. Plus we need 3 of these. So this should have been 3 here. Well, let's just make this easy. We're going to make this 3. All right. So 3 times 350 is a totally different thing. That's 1,050. So instead of this, we should have 1,050, which is going to leave us with not 808. It's going to be 1,050 plus 108, which is 1,158. Okay. We just did that there. Okay, and then the last one is the surface area of this rectangle. So we're going to have two sides at 4 4/10 times 3, and we're going to have four sides at 3 times 10. So 4 4/10 times 3 plus 3 times 10 plus, oh dear, I have no idea what they did. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to say we're going to have 2 at 4 4/10 times 3 plus 4 at 3 times 10. So this one is going to be 2, 4.4 times 3, which is 13.2, 13 2/10, plus 4 times 30. So 26.4 plus 120. And that's going to be our surface area. 146 and 4/10 square inches. Okay. I'm looking at this now, I'm thinking I didn't do that right, because if we had a 44 by 10, that's two of those, and two 3 by 10s. Okay, oh my gosh, so we have two of these for the top and the bottom, two of these for this side, and two of these for this side and the back side. So actually, if we just took this and boy, I made a royal mess of things, didn't I? Let's see if we did that. If we just doubled it, I bet that we'd be right. 87.2 times 2. Yeah, we should have 174 4/10 is what it should be. Square inches. Okay. Well, some days are worse than others.